Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PRIYANSHU Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about Amazon hiring guys. Okay, Amazon is hiring for guys programmer analyst post guys. Okay, we will discuss each and everything. Before discussing guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button guys. And if you have a Capgemini exam guys in upcoming slot and it must have you have a on campus guys, then you need to watch this video because in this video I have just discussed the latest exam pattern of Capgemini because guys Capgemini has just changed the exam pattern guys. Let's discuss guys, we will discuss about this thing later. So let's start guys without wasting time. So friends, this is the official Amazon job website guys. As you can see, this is Amazon job portal. They are just posting the job on this portal only guys. Okay, if you want you can daily check out this and they are posting many hirings on this portal guys, right? The next thing is guys, let's discuss about main thing. So basically guys, for this hiring they have not mentioned any package guys, but guys approximate they will give you 15 lpa approx plus, I need to say. Okay, the next thing is guys, you have a basic knowledge of data, not basic, I need to say, tagda knowledge of data structure and algorithm and problem solving and coding guys. We will start very soon coding series guys. Whenever I got the time, then I will start making series for that guys. Okay, the next thing is guys, they mentioned 0 to 2 year of relevant engineering work experience. Clear? The next thing guys, you have a knowledge about Java, C++, C#, or some scripting language like SQL, Perl, Python, right? The next thing is guys, if you want you can read all the points, but I am just discussing important point. The last thing is guys, they are mentioned preferred qualification is 1+ year of experience in software development. They have not mentioned any restrict job profile that you have a knowledge about Python, Java, C++, full stack. No, they've only mentioned you have a 1 year experience of in software development guys. Clear? So it's all about today's video. 2022 batch also can apply in this guys. Clear guys? So anyone are, I think, because they have not restrict any batch. They've only mentioned like 0 to 2 year of relevant engineering work experience. So means guys, till 2022, because some of you are pass out 2022 and you are also done some internship, right? So that's why guys I am saying ki 2022 students also apply guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. Please connect us on for daily job updates and placement material guys, and for previous slots questions, right? So you need to just click only subscribe button so that guys you will got all the job notifications, all the hiring materials, all the placement materials or preparations guys. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. We will meet on next video. Take care. Bye bye guys. And try to share this video with your friends. Okay.